What if there was a tool that could revolutionize the way aviation and aerospace organizations manage their critical documents? Imagine a solution that not only enhances document management, distribution, and compliance, but also ensures accuracy, timeliness, and accessibility. How might such a tool impact operational efficiency and safety within the rigorously regulated aviation and aerospace sector? Docsie offers a robust documentation solution tailored for the aviation and aerospace sector, addressing the specific needs of critical documents. Here's how Docsie can enhance the management of these essential documents. 1. Aircraft Maintenance Manual, AMM. Collaborative authoring and editing for facilitate real-time collaboration among engineers and technicians to create and update maintenance procedures, ensuring all changes are immediately visible to the team. Version control and history for implement robust version control to track revisions, maintaining a detailed history of updates and allowing for rollback to previous versions if necessary. Content structuring for organize the AMM into modular sections, making it easier to update specific parts without affecting the entire document. Multi-format support for multimedia content, images, videos, diagrams, to enhance clarity and understanding of maintenance procedures. 2. Flight Operations Manual, FOM. Standardized templates for provide templates that comply with regulatory standards, ensuring consistency across all flight operations documentation. Accessibility and mobility for enable cloud-based access, allowing flight crews and operations staff to access the latest FOM from any location, even on mobile devices. Interactive features for integrate interactive elements like checklists, decision trees, and scenario-based instructions to facilitate better comprehension and adherence to procedures. 3. Airworthiness Directives, ADs. Automated distribution for automatically distribute new or updated ADs to all relevant stakeholders, ensuring timely compliance and action. Centralized repository for maintain a central, searchable repository for all ADs, making it easy to retrieve and reference historical and current directives. Notification system for set up automated notifications to alert relevant personnel about new ADs or updates, ensuring no critical information is missed. 4. Technical Standard Orders, TSOs. Compliance tracking for track compliance with TSOs through automated workflows, ensuring that all parts and materials used meet the required standards. Linked documentation for linked TSOs to related documents such as AMMs and FOMs, providing comprehensive guidance and ensuring all documentation is consistent and up-to-date. Approval workflows for implement approval workflows to ensure all TSO-related documentation is reviewed and approved by the necessary authorities before publication. 5. Aircraft Flight Manual, AFM. Customization and flexibility for customized AFMs for different aircraft models and configurations, ensuring that pilots have the exact information needed for their specific aircraft. Rapid updates for quickly update AFMs in response to new data or regulatory changes, and distribute these updates instantly to all relevant users. Offline access for provide offline access capabilities, ensuring pilots can access critical information even without an internet connection. Docsie's documentation solution offers comprehensive features that significantly enhance the management, distribution, and compliance of critical aviation and aerospace documents. By leveraging Docsie, organizations can ensure that their documentation is accurate, up-to-date, and easily accessible, leading to improved operational efficiency and safety in the highly regulated aviation and aerospace sector. Docsie's benefits extend beyond document management in the aviation and aerospace sectors. Its enhanced security features ensure that critical documentation remains protected through robust access controls and encryption, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. Moreover, Docsie's analytics and reporting capabilities allow organizations to track document usage, identifying areas that may require additional training or updates for improved efficiency. The platform's integration capabilities further streamline workflows by seamlessly integrating with other enterprise systems like ERP and MRO software, ensuring consistency across platforms. Additionally, Docsie provides comprehensive user training and support, empowering users to leverage the platform's full potential and maximize benefits for the organization as a whole. To truly appreciate the full capabilities of Docsie, we recommend scheduling a live demo. Our team will walk you through the platform and demonstrate how Docsie can address your specific business documentation needs.